Ryan coming at you from Daily Guitar. This is an easy beginner finger picking pattern. This is by far easiest to do and it sounds great. Let's jump in. All we're going to use here is 4 strings. So we got our E string, A string, D string, G string, B string, and then the E string. Okay, we're not going to be using the bottom E. We are not going to be using the top E for this picking pattern. It's very simple, and the idea behind this picking pattern is that you learn how to do it. You learn how to get the feel of the picking here. Okay, so we're sitting our fingers just like this. The thumb right here is going to control the A. D string is going to be controlled by the index. G string is going to be controlled by the middle finger. And then the B string is going to be controlled by the ring finger. So we're going thumb, middle, back up to the A, down to the B. Okay, so watch the pattern. Now when you put a C chord on there, and there's multiple chords, any chord, there's a G. Any chord will sound good, but let's go with the C real quick, okay? Because that's there's your root note. So you're covering everything. So focus on this and work it like a pattern. So even if you wanted to mute, you want to get the pattern on this. So right here, we're gonna go with, and this is beginners only right here. This is very easy to do. Got our anchor, pinky's gonna anchor it. Slide it up to a D if you like. Okay, this is a D shape. But all you want to focus on, just use the C, okay? And focus on thumb, middle, index, ring, thumb, middle, index, ring. See, you're doing an alternating pattern. You'll get faster. Couple days, you will have this nailed. That's your first picking pattern that you're going to learn as a beginner. Very easy to learn. Just sit there, practice, practice, practice on this. Sounds great. You can mix up your shapes, do some trials, try some stuff out. Starting with those 4 strings only. So if you're hanging out watching TV, sit there. Thumb, middle, you can see which one I'm hitting. Thumb, middle, index, ring, then repeat. You will have this in a matter of days. Just like that. Now, if you want to avoid the thumb hitting or anything, you got the C, you can always mute the top like this. Just push lightly and mute that one. That way you won't hit it. Combos where you don't have to move your fingers. See, look, I like this because you're maintaining that same position to practice. So you can get some cool tunes out of it while still just practicing without having to worry about going like this and you're not, you're right here in the same spot. Thanks for watching. This is Ryan coming at you from Daily Guitar. I'll see you in the next one.